Hello and welcome to this New Holland equipment sales training video. Today we're taking a deep dive into the PowerStar Electro Command series, a tractor that combines power, precision, and comfort for today's farming operations. Whether your customers are working in the farmyard, handling loader tasks, or tackling heavy field work, the PowerStar Electro Command is engineered to deliver exceptional performance and versatility. Let's introduce you to the PowerStar Electro Command product offering. The PowerStar Electro Command lineup includes two models, the PowerStar 110 Electro Command and PowerStar 120 Electro Command, delivering 110 and 117 horsepower respectively. Both models are offered in a cab configuration with an MFD front axle and offer a great deal of valuable features. Built at our Jesi, Italy plant, these tractors represent the next generation of utility performance. What makes the PowerStar Electro Command stand out in a crowded market? Three big reasons. One, heavy-duty performance with a Class 1.5 front axle, 21.7 gallon per minute hydraulic flow, 17,637 pound gross vehicle weight, and nearly 10,000 pound rear lift capacity. This tractor is ready for heavier implements and demanding chores. Two, comfort and ergonomics. Operators can enjoy a suspended cab, optional suspended front axle, and deluxe air suspension seat, reducing shock loads for a smoother ride and comfort during long days in the cab. And three, tech-centered utility. Standard telematics and optional Isobus Class 2 bring precision farming capabilities right to the operator's fingertips. At the heart of the PowerStar Electro Command is the FPT F36 engine, a 3.6-liter, four-cylinder turbocharged powerhouse, delivering up to 117 horsepower and 373 pound-feet of torque on the 120 model. The torque delivery of the F36 is especially important as it's among the best in its class. The after-treatment system is Stage 5 emissions compliant, fuel efficient, and features passive regeneration, so operators can keep working without downtime. With a 46-gallon fuel tank and a 3.6-gallon DEF tank, customers get long operating intervals between fill-ups. The PowerStar Electro Command offers the Electro Command semi-power shift transmission, featuring 16 forward and 16 reverse gears as standard. A 32x32 with creeper range is optional for ultra-low speeds. Also, the tractor can be optionally equipped with auto shift for smooth automated gear changes in field or transport modes. The transmission features a smooth electro-hydraulic shuttle for clutchless forward-reverse direction changes. The shuttle aggressiveness can be adjusted to customize how quickly the tractor changes direction between forward and reverse. These transmission features make loader work and field operations more efficient, reducing operator fatigue and boosting productivity. The Class 1.5 HD front axle supports an increased gross vehicle weight and loader capacity. Customers can choose either the standard limited slip axle or a standard axle with electro-hydraulic differential lock, or, most importantly, a suspended front axle option for superior comfort and traction. At the rear, a flange-style axle with electro-hydraulic diff lock. The rear axle setup can accommodate large tires, up to a 660 R38 for better flotation and reduced soil compaction. Next, let's discuss hydraulics and loader options. With 21.7 gallon per minute hydraulic flow, the PowerStar Electro Command powers demanding implements with ease. The PowerStar Electro Command comes standard with 3 rear mechanical remotes. A fourth hydraulic function can be operated with an optional rear diverter valve on the third remote. The remotes feature configurable detents with options for constant flow, kick out, and float. Also, all remotes offer adjustable flow control. The PowerStar Electro Command can be equipped as loader ready. Loader ready packages include brackets, joystick, and valves from the factory. Pair it with the 810LA non-self-leveling or 815LA self-leveling loader. The 815LA offers 3,461 pounds of lift capacity and a 144-inch max lift height for ample reach. Customers can choose between skid steer or Euro-style bucket attachment systems. Also, there's a choice between mechanical or electro-hydraulic mid-mount valve controls to operate the loader. Both options include joysticks with advanced features, offering simpler control of the tractor during loader operation. For example, you can raise the loader and shift gears right from the loader joystick to complete material handling faster. The loader joystick also has buttons for transmission upshift and downshift, D-clutch, and auxiliary hydraulic functions. The joystick for the electro-hydraulic mid-mount valve is an especially premium feature. The joystick is mounted directly to the seat's armrest for a very close, at-hand, and ergonomic control of the loader and other mid-mount valve functions. Now, let's discuss where the work is done: the 3-point hitch and PTO. The Category 2 3-point hitch boasts 9,998 pounds of lift capacity, handling large implements effortlessly. PTO options include the standard 540/1000 RPM as standard, or the customer can optionally equip a 540/540 Eco/1000 PTO. Electro-hydraulic engagement ensures smooth starts, and the Auto PTO feature simplifies headland turns by automatically engaging and disengaging the PTO based on hitch position. Next, let's review operator comfort and cab features. Comfort is key for long work days. The PowerStar series provides all-around comfort and ergonomics with a tidy fit and finish, roominess, and outward visibility. The PowerStar Electro Command offers a comfortable deluxe air suspension seat with multiple adjustments, mechanical cab suspension that prevents harsh bumps and shock loads for smoother ride and reduced operator fatigue. A smoother ride means that operators can put in longer, more demanding days in comfort. And let's not forget the optional suspended front axle. It takes the operator's comfort to the next level. The Command Arc console keeps all major switches close at hand with an intuitive layout for ergonomic control. A tilt and telescoping steering wheel allows the operator to tailor their operating experience. High visibility roof panel for loader work, plus LED lighting all around for safe, confident operation after dark. Next, let's discuss technology and connectivity. The PowerStar Electro Command comes factory fit standard with telematics, subscription free for life. Customers can track machine location, engine status, and more via New Holland Field Ops. Optional ISOBUS Class 2 adds compatibility with ISO-compliant implements for precision farming, increasing efficiency and versatility. Adding ISOBUS as an option adds significant value to customers by increasing the versatility of their machines. It enables the PowerStar series to do more tasks beyond basic utility work to more precision-intensive tasks. This integrated tech offers increased efficiency on the farm. Now, let's talk more about the new styling. This new and striking styling celebrates the introduction of the new line of PowerStar series tractors. This new styling represents a new era for New Holland all-purpose tractors and will continue to be deployed across the New Holland lineup. Our customers can appreciate the modern appearance and improved visibility offered by the compact and sloping design of the hood. Let's recap. The PowerStar Electro Command delivers heavy-duty performance, advanced technology, and unmatched comfort and a mid-size utility package. It is the perfect tool for farmers seeking a versatile tractor capable of working on the farmyard or out in the field. Position it as the ideal solution for livestock, dairy, and mixed farming operations. For more details, consult the price book and contact your territory sales manager or dairy and livestock product specialist.